Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to deploy a honeypot in Google Cloud Console. This is a honeypot that I just deployed, and if you click here it will bring you to the Kibana dashboard, where you will be able to visualize what is going on in the teapot, in the honeypot. So I just deployed this about 6 hours ago thereabout, and currently is recording a lot of hits. These are the attacks. The carrier has recorded 5,000 something honey trap, this and all that. This is an attack map where it's coming from. You can go here to check it. The attack map should be able to open here. Still loading. So these are the pots, and these are the different places that these attackers are hitting, and these are the countries attacked by country, attacked by honeypots, and this is the usernames and the passwords they are using. So without much ado, let's start. So within the Google Cloud console, go to the compute engine, and here in the compute engine, this is the instance that I have that is running already. So what I'm going to do is to I am going to suspend this instance. Okay, resisting the memory disk. So I'm going to suspend it and then create a new one. So here, let's call this one teapot, and then we'll go to the machine configuration section, and here we'll select the standard and the 16 gigabytes memory, and then we'll go to the OS. We'll change the OS to Ubuntu, and then we'll look for the Ubuntu Noble x86/64, and then we'll change this to 200 gigabytes, and then we'll change this to SSD persistent disk. Then under this we'll select these two, and then we'll create our honeypot. Now it has successfully created, so we click on SSH to connect to the virtual machine. So now we are logged into the virtual machine. So the first thing I will do is to, using the root user, I will update. Then after this update, the next thing will be to install Git. So apt install Git. Now after this, we will clone the repository by going here to click on clone repository. Git clone. Now that we have successfully cloned the repository, we will exit the root user, and then we will cd into the teapot. And this teapot have some files. One of them is install.sh. This is what we're going to use to install this teapot. Say /install sh minus type equals user. So hopefully this installs correctly. So now we're going to choose HSM. We're going to choose H for hype, and then to ask for the username, we're going to put, let's say, teapot. Then now it will install. I hope everything goes as expected. Now the teapot has been successfully installed. So now we're going to say sudo reboot. Now we're going to go back here and try connecting to the teapot using this IP address. So we use this IP address of the new teapot. That's it. The IP address here is a unique IP for the virtual machine instance that we just deployed. So we use it here to connect to the instance. So accept, and then we put the username and password that we created. So now we successfully logged into the new teapot that we created. So click here to go to Kibana. It takes time to come up. This will be the attack map. The attack map. This is the cyber chef. This is elastic view. This is spider foot.